Hi! Welcome to My Drunk Kitchen Australia. I'm embarrassed when you're here. Look. Oh, this looks like pee. I don't like it. It's so quiet. I am going to be making chocolate crackles with rice bubbles. I have already made chocolate mousse. Do you want to see it? Yeah. It already looks like this. Cooling. When I was doing the chocolate mousse, I burnt my finger. See? Right there. It hurts. And it's all red. What you've got to do is, step one, have some rice bubbles. And step two, melt butter over there, melting. Hello. This is Karina. Say hi. Hi. It doesn't say anything about nothing like that. It says slowly melt the cocoa. Allow to cool slightly. Add rice bubble mixture, stirring until well combined. And tell me what's in there. Screw you and your rules. I am gonna do it the way I want to do it, right? It says this before the cocoa powder. 4 Kellogg's rice bubbles, 1 cup of desiccated coconut, 1 cup of icing sugar. Slowly butter. 3 tablespoons. That's a lot. 1. Who's there? Oh, look at my shirt. 2. 3. Oh, this is taking a long time. Now do I put the coconut in? Ugh. I don't want to use scissors because, according to Hannah Hart, which is where I got this idea from, your mouth is your best tool. And she's right. This is what I do. Get your spoon. Your spoony spoon. And you stir it. Oh! Made a mess. Sorry. This is what it looks like. Kind of looks like rabbit poo. Oh, this is so tiring. So, what I'm going to do now is look at you beautiful people. I'm going to look at my cameraman to see if I'm doing this right. Yeah, cool. Cool beans. Drizzle. That's it. You're going to mix it fast, guys, otherwise you screw it all up. Rice bubbles are going everywhere. Alright. Sorry. What do we do now? That's what she said. Spoon mixture into patty pan cases and refrigerate until firm. So you get these lovely things. And don't use a spoon, you use your hands. Because that's what they're made for. You go like this. That hurts my burn. You go like this. In a little patty pan, you continually go. That's what happens when you get bored. That's the best part. The best part is the refrigerated chocolate on the outside of the patty pan. Because it's just like eating a block of chocolate. need to crack them. Alright, so what have we learned today? So you should never be ashamed of yourself. We've got to check if they're ready. I think they are. Look at them. Look how pretty they look. Okay, so when I said to put the chocolate on the bottom, don't. Because you can't get it off the tray. There we go. Look, you got the chocolate on the bottom. And then you just peel it back. And... whoops. Ah, it tastes pretty good if you ask me. Should I?
Action.
Oh, I'm sorry. G'day! I'm going to see what this tastes like because it looks really bad. That tastes like poo in my mouth. This tastes like crap.
Just pour it out.
Do we have scissors? This is taping to it. Oh, there's stuff stuck to it. I'm not going to drink that anymore because that tastes like shit. Found it. Pure icing sugar. Does that work? Oh. Whoops. Oh, yep, it was 1 cup, that's right.
Stir, don't crush.
I'm not crushing. You're just hearing things. You have to do it yourself. You burn your finger. Don't sit there and snigger, man.
Really, stop.
Patty pan. Isn't that pretty? You just go like that. With all of them. I need a bigger patty pan. Because this isn't working. I don't think we have any bigger ones. Ah! That's a good one. Let's go like this.
Cutting.